Hi, this is David from Neural Networks, and today I'm going to take you through the process of installing Neural Communicator. First, you'll need to download the application. When you order it from the portal, you'll receive an email with a download link. Click that download link, and that will take you to download this application. Alternatively, if you don't have the email, you can select the Communicator service in portal, and it will give you the same link. So once you've downloaded the application, you'll have the installer. So we'll need to double click this to run it. We'll then be taken to the setup. So we click next to begin. So before we begin installing, we need to make sure that any antivirus software is disabled. It's also important to make sure that Windows updates are done. So particularly with older versions of Windows, such as Windows XP, if the updates haven't been done, then this may not work correctly. And of course, make sure the account that we're on right now has administrator privileges. So we'll click I agree to continue. Now this next screen gives us the options of which components of Communicator we want to install. So not everything is on by default. As standard, we'll have a start menu and a desktop shortcut created. As well as that, we'll have the application run automatically at startup. Under integrations, we have the option for integrating with standard protocols. So what this means is links in your web browser to initiate phone calls and fax messages and so on will be sent to Communicator. If you don't want any of these, you can turn them off at this point. As well as that, we have integrations for Microsoft Office. So the system will detect what version of Office you have installed on your PC. So this works with Office 2010 and with 2013. The most important one to check here is the printer driver. This will allow you to send faxes and letters from applications that don't support faxing natively. So anything that supports printing, you'll be able to send faxes and letters from if you tick this box. We'll go ahead and click install. Now this process can take a couple of minutes depending on the speed of the PC. So there are a few dependencies that the installer will put on there for you automatically. Main one being the Microsoft.NET 4 runtime. You may see another installer pop up if this is not already on the PC, but if the Windows updates have been done, this is more than likely already there. Once the installer is finished, Communicator will then start automatically, and we'll see this window here, sign into Neural Communicator. So we'll select the first option, I have an account. Enter your portal username and password. These are the same login details that you use for Portal and the other web applications. Now, if we're on a shared computer here, remember to untick the Remember Me option. Otherwise, if you're on a secure PC, you can leave that ticked. Then click Sign In. So now we'll come through to the Communicator main screen, and the application is now ready to use. Now that we have Communicator up and running, one thing that you may wish to do is set your callback numbers for the make a phone call feature if you're intending to use it. To do so, we go to Options, click Settings, then under Telephony, you can set your desk phone and mobile phone numbers respectively here and select the default area code for your location. Click OK, and that's it. Communicator is now ready to use. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on support@neural.com.au or call us on 1-800-NEURAL and select option 2 for support. Thanks for watching.